for Petersburg, Kentucky 20.
Look how high the water is. I see it. See it over there.
Anyone living or working along the Ohio River knows how unpredictable it can be during flood season.
They tell me that the river has rose 3 foot since midnight last night.
The Ohio River is being watched with a close eye today. While the steady rain didn't cause much flash flooding, the river could continue to rise as water makes its way downstream.
Hey folks, we're at a place that I've been wanting to come forever and ever and ever. Now, it is September, it should be 80 degrees, 90 degrees, and it should be sunny. But for some reason, it's 60 degrees and it's raining. But, kind of puts a dent in the plan, but we're going to come back. But I'm going to still show you what we got here. Check how flooded the river is. Like all the trees are underwater. That's how flooded this is. But just wait, you can see. Fortunately, with this rain and how high the water is, we're not getting on it today. We're going to have to come back. This ship was built in 1905. This thing is old. It served in World War I, World War II. Thomas Edison was on it doing experiments for the government. It appeared in Madonna's Papa Don't Preach video. Now it just sits, tributary off this river, just rotting away. It is so cool. This thing has such an amazing history, which we'll get on. There's no way we can get onto it tonight. The water's too deep. We do not have a raft. And it looks like the water's so high, part of it that wasn't immersed before is now totally immersed. I don't know.
It seems like those people were climbing an awfully high distance compared to what we're looking at.
Yeah, they were climbing an awfully high distance. So, I mean, it's really underwater right now. I don't know. What do you think? Should I try to go across that?
You don't know how high it is, though. I mean, you can swim. I don't think you're going to get caught up in anything.
Should I change up?
I might be able to save you.
Should I change up my clothes and try to do it?
That's on you. I'll save you.
Yeah, how cold that water's going to be.
I don't know. Stick your little face down there and see.
That's not that bad. Well, it's also a very shallow park.
Are you going to go across with your ship?
I was going.
You can at least take the GoPro.
I didn't bring the waterproof case for the GoPro.
Tell me, why did you not do that?
I'm gonna let it sit on my desk. We didn't get to get onto the boat today because the water's too high and it's raining, and I mean it's really flooded. But we will come back. This wasn't a failure. This is not a failed explore at all. This place is awesome, and we will come back and check it out. So I don't even know what we'll do with this video. Got some good photos, so check it out. soaking wet. We're muddy. We're really muddy. See? I can't see. See how muddy we are? And we did get to the ship. The river was flooded. It was pouring down rain. The ship was almost completely underwater. But it wasn't a fail. We will come back though, won't we? Was it a fail?
No.
No, we got some good video and footage, and no one was out there, and it looked kind of cool in the rain. All right.
No creepers.
No creepers.
Except us.
Yeah.
Except you.
Right. Yep. Bleep her mouth. The ship, best known as the USS Sachem, had a long and rich history, but today it is left to inherit the Wasteland. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel because we're going to do some travels and we got a lot more coming up. Also, if you want to find out more, visit the website because we have like a lot of photos that aren't going to be shown in the video, a lot of past photos, and any documentation, any historical documentation will be there. That's going to be at itw.crustlandia.com.